Good morning, children. This is Shival speaking. Children, we have been dealing with the chapter fractions, chapter 7, in which we have already completed some exercises. 7.1, 7.2, 7.3 are over. So, till 7.4, we have discussed about question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So, children, there are some questions which I want you to teach, which are really very important questions and very useful concepts for, uh, for higher classes as well. Children, I want you to teach question number 8, which is about the problem sums, exercise 7.4, question number 8. This question number 8, question number 9, question number 10 are similar question, but I want you to know rather how to solve, dealing with fractions in problem sums. Question number 8. Ila read 25 pages of a book containing 100 pages. Ila, she read number of pages 25. Ila read the number of pages 25 out of 100 pages. Okay, children. So Ella read 25 pages out of 100 pages. Fine. Another girl, Lalita, she read 2 2 by 5. She read 2/5 of the same book. 2/5 of the same book. Now question comes in our mind. Who read more or who read less? Okay, children. Number of pages read by Ila, that is given. The number is 25. She read 25 number of pages. Lalita read 2 by 5 of the same. So let us find what is 2/5 of. Let us find what is 2/5 of 100 pages first, because Lalita read the same book. So 2 by 5 of 100 means 2 by 5 into 100. Okay, because of means into, that we know very well. 5 20s are 100. 2 into 20 is 40 pages. Okay, so Lalita read 40 pages. Ila's number of pages were given, that was 25. So of course Ila read less number of pages. Okay, children. Question number 9 is about Rafiq exercised for 3 by 6 of an hour, means 3 by 6 into 60 minutes, because we know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Fine. So if I cancel 6 into 10 will be resulting 30 minutes. So Rafiq exercised for 30 minutes. Rohit exercised for 3 by 4 of an hour, means 3 by 4 into 60 minutes, because we are just finding the actual value of these fractions. So 3 by 4 of an hour means 3 by 4 into 60. So 2 2s are 4, 32s are 60. Then again 2 can cancel it. 2 15s are 30. Answer is 45 minutes. So who exercised for more? Rohit exercised for more. He exercised for 45 minutes, whereas Rafiq exercised only for 30 minutes. So these are very simple concepts, children. I want you to try this out in your copy. So now, children, some questions are from like exercise 7.5. In question number 1, like it was about dealing with kind of fractions, in which the diagrams will be given and we have to find out the actual fraction. Suppose, children, a box contains 4 number of balls, sorry, 8 number of balls, out of 8 balls, suppose 3 balls are shaded. Okay, from here I'll subtract. A box contains again equal number of balls, e- equal number of balls, in which 2 balls are shaded. Okay, no actual numbers are given, no actual fractions are given. What we need to do, we need to just compare, or we need to find the subtraction of these numbers. Okay children, so the first one's fraction is 3 by 8, because 3 balls are shaded out of 8 number of balls. From here I'll subtract, like 2 balls are shaded out of 8 number of balls, so of course it's 2 by 8. So if we do the subtraction of these fractions, it will be 1 by 8. Now question may arise in your mind, sir, how could you write 1 by 8 so directly? Because I can do it directly because the denominators are same. As the number or the fractions have got equal denominators, we can simply subtract the numerators and we can write the fraction, because the denominators are equal. So 3 by 8 minus 2 by 8 results 1 by 8. Okay children, so I hope it's clear to everybody. There is nothing as such to understand. Simply we will write the fractions and we will subtract it. If I explain some questions, of the same exercise, question number 2, 1 by 8 added to 1 by 8. Just now children, I explained the similar question. When the denominators are same, they can simply they can be simply calculated by adding or subtracting the numerators. So I'll just write 18 divided by 18. 1 plus 1 will be added. It will be 2 by 18. That's all. You don't have to calculate by drawing the lines, then doing LCM and all. Not required. As the denominators are same, we can simply add them. Next number could be like solved in this way: 8 by 15 plus 3 by 15. So how can we add it? How they can be added children? 8 and 3 can be added directly. 8 plus 3 is 11 by 15. 11 by, answer is 11 by 15, because the denominators are equal. So I'll just write denominator 15 only, and 8 plus 3 is 11. I wrote 11 by 15. So children, this is how we have to deal with these kind of questions. If there is any doubts or confusions, please let me know. Feel free to speak to me. I'll surely explain these questions once again to you all. Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye, take care, have a nice day.